Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the AI receptionist for the page, all the pages crawling. And yeah, regarding the AI receptionist, I have used TypeScript for the programming language and Next.js for the framework, and as well for the front end, I have used the React MUI component. So for the backend, I have used the LangChain and LiveKit and Express and LiveKit's server SDK, PG for the PostgreSQL database, and Swagger UI Express. So nevertheless, I have used the type ORM as well. And for the front end, I have used the React MUI and LiveKit components and React as well the next. So I have installed all these dependencies and yeah, it's working both for the text and the audio chats. As well we can do live chat. So this is how it can be a landing page or the hero page for the application. And when I click on this headset icon, so here we can see that chatbot pop up will um, come up, and here we can type anything like hello, and we can see that it will give reply. It will take some times because it will crawl all the page, and it will try to understand like what is user want to like get answer for their queries. Like that it will take some times. And yeah, from here schedule a consultation. We If we click here, so here we can see that, just a second. Yeah, here we can see that a model will pop up, and here we can submit the full name like name, email, address. So currently I have filled with my personal email ID and my personal phone number with the company name, that is Blackcoffer, and date. So regarding the date and time, we can select the past dates, and yeah, we can only select the future dates. Yeah. So here I will select for 2020, yeah, 24 February, and I will select the time as it is 3:12 p.m. And yeah, here we can give the what we need, or if we left it empty, it will just say the general inquiries or general consultation. But we can say that beauty is it oh, no, 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 requirements for custom software development. And that's all. If I will do a schedule a meeting, so here we can see that excellent, I have scheduled your consultant for Tuesday February, and you receive an email. So yeah, we can send them or like I have written a business functional logic from where I have sent reply to them without my presentation, or like without my um, like typing, or by sending manually from the Gmail. So it automatically send the no reply email to the client from the just a second. Yeah, from the SMTP server. And okay, now I'm in my personal email account, and here I can see that I have received lots of email regarding the consultants appointment confirmation. And currently, this one I get in 0 minutes. So here previously I have also got lots of a couple of confirmation without the sending the email manually. So yeah, that's all. And yeah, if I go again here, and here we can see that I have typed hello. So it says hello, I am here to assist you inquiry today at Blackcoffer, a global AI and data consulting firm, like this, how it says that. And if I will say, what are the, okay, what are the process of data modeling? And simply I will hit enter. And let's say if it can find the correct answer for the data modeling or not. So yeah, as I have mentioned earlier, it takes some time. So let's say. So yes, here we can see that we are getting reply of what are the process of data modeling. Like our AI receptionist tells that as perspective from the Blackcoffers, a global AI and data consulting firm, one generally involves several steps and so on. So finally, physical modeling involves choosing a database management system and mapping, so on. So here is a give that it's a AI assistant for Blackcoffers, and that's all. So yeah, it's working like this, and regarding like it can it will crawl all the page regarding the lack of our web application websites, and it is provide the queries, answer of the queries for the users. And if I click on this green button talk to AI agent, and I'll simply say hello, what is machine learning and how can I improve the data for the machine learning, in CSV format or Excel format. And yeah, I have to mute the mic because if I will turn on the mic, and here we can see that the voice visualization will so like this into chunks. So I have used the PC vector for the chunks, so we are getting something like this. So yeah, it's also just takes some times because it will call the page and it will find the answer and then it will reply to us. So here we can see that as we have given the audio speech, so it says that dear user, I'm glad you reached out to Blackcoffers to improve data miss learning and can something like that. So okay, okay. So here we can see that multiple imputation by chain equation may also provide promising results or something like this. And if the agent, the AI reception is finished,
Dear user,
okay.
I'm glad you reached out to Blackcoffer. To improve data for missing learning, we can employ several strategies. Firstly, imputation techniques such as mean, median, or mode replacement could be used to fill in missing values 1. Secondly, regression-based methods like multiple imputation by chained equations, mice, may also provide promising results too. However, for a more tailored solution, it would be best if we discuss your specific case. I'd recommend scheduling a call with one of our data scientists to delve deeper into the issue and provide an optimal solution. Would that work for you? One Stuart.
And yeah, we can see that as we give the voice speech and it's give back us the text and voice both the speech. So regarding the voice, we can
Male
select
voice
the male
selected.
voice or female voice. Both the male voice and female voice we can select. And yeah, that's all for today for the AI receptionist. Crawling, it's the features that will crawl all the pages, all the websites from the internet, and then it will provide the answer for the queries for the users who visit the website. Thank you. Have a great time.